Hey, Amanda. What's the matter, baby? You've been screaming like this for 10 minutes. She woke up from a nap and she started screaming like this. I would think that it's night terrors, but it's a daytime nap. Watch this. She doesn't quit. Amanda, what's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Come here, baby. Do you want to talk to me? No? Do you just want to throw a fit? What's the matter? Can you explain? What is it? What is it? Asa, look at me. What is the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Did you have a nightmare? Will you talk about it? Amanda, what's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Why are you screaming? Come here, baby. Why are you screaming? Can you tell me? Come here. Come here. What's the matter? What is the matter? You haven't used a single word since you woke up. What's the matter? What are you doing? Do you need time to yourself? You have plenty of time to yourself, but you still keep... Amanda, look at me. What is it? What is it? I'm going to put you back in the room, Amanda, because you're just going to keep doing this, and I can't help you. What is it, Amanda? What is it? Can you use some words, baby? Can you use some words? Do you want Daddy to hold you? Do you want me to hold you? Did you have a nightmare? What's the matter? Amanda, I'd like you to get control of yourself. Can you rein it in? Can you stop crying for a minute? Amanda, can you stop crying? What's the matter? What's the matter, baby? Amanda, take a breath. Stop. Breathe in. Take a breath. Breathe. Come on, baby. Breathe. Snap out of it. Hey, sweetheart, can you stop? Stop. Take a breath. Breathe. Amanda, breathe. Breathe. Amanda, breathe. Can you be quiet for just a minute? Can you be quiet for just a minute? Asa. Do you want some milk, baby? What's the matter? You know what, Amanda? I'm going to put you back in your crib, and you can work it out, okay? Because I can't help you. I can't help you unless you're ready to use some words, okay? I'm going to give up here.